Hey, what's up?
Hello.
My name's Clayton J.
And I'm Allie.
We're back another YouTube video. Hey, what's up, guys? How's it going? So, yeah, today we are doing a vlog. We're gonna go over to Allison's parents' house, eat there, have s'mores, just hang out. We're bringing the dogs, and we are wearing Broncos. Don't say anything about Broncos in the thing, like, oh, who's your favorite player? Because we don't fucking know. We're not Bronco fans, but Allison's dad is, so we're gonna wear it. Allison's dad gave you that shirt.
Yes.
Allison's dad, your dad gave you that shirt. I found this shirt for like $1 or $2 at the Goodwill. So I was like, you know what, I'll just buy it, you know? And then we're just gonna go today and see his reaction. I think that'd be funny. So yeah, and you're gonna come with us. Let's go. Also down in the comments below, tell me if you like what I have going on right here. Half of me does, half of me doesn't. So just comment down below. All right, we're all, that's Polo. That's my boy Polo. What you talking about? All right, guys. We're actually doing some s'mores. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Did you even bring graham crackers?
No?
Yeah, I'm gonna leave mine right here because I'm still gonna have more.
Oh, I didn't have a graham cracker.
Here.
Oh. There you go. Oh, yours is burnt. All right, guys. We're gonna have more. We're just taste testing it really quick. Yum. Yum.
Ah! Watermelon sounds really good right now. So the watermelon sounds really good right now anyways.
You're chocolate. Which one? Me or her?
Oh my god. Fuck yeah. I'm not wearing one.
Why not?
Because I'm wearing one of the other new shirts you got me.
Huh.
Hey, yeah, that fits you nice.
You look. I can't think of the word. Skimpy.
That's
No.
Dapper.
Snazzy. Snazzy. Snazzy's the word.
Snappy.
Got stuff for s'mores.
I got a fire going.
I know. You just hit my baby.
Come here, Molly.
Yeah, you better apologize.
Where's Popo?
I'm eating. Always.
Polo, or did you leave him outside? Oh no, he's actually went in there by himself. There he is.
He's
Hey,
waiting
buddy.
for you in your room.
Yeah.
What was I gonna say? They were completely
Thanks.
sold out. Your plate looks so organized, and mine just looks like thrown everywhere.
Yeah, mine looks pretty.
You can go drink.
Oh yeah, I forgot to get the drink. Sit. Sit. Come here, Molly. Molly. Hey, Polo. Molly, Molly, Molly. Hey, girl.
He was doing that as soon as I started putting water in there while I was pulling up his way in the pool.
Oh, what did he just do there? Oh my gosh, Polo. Hey, Polo. Hey, buddy. Hey. Hey, let me get it. Polo, let me get it. All right, you ready? All right, we're just hanging out in the yard right now. We got Charlie right there. Got Polo right there. We got everyone else.
Oh, look at the sap bubble out of it. Oh, you just set my phone there?
You made your s'more? My babies. Hey, Polo. Sit. Good boy. He loves his big ball. I don't know why he's obsessed with that big ass ball. He can't even play with it. He just likes to run with it.
No, I just need one bag. Okay.
I'm gonna scare her.
Okay. Thank you. Give me 1 second, I'll come hug you. I want to make sure I got it.
Ah! No! I didn't get you.
What was it? What was what? What did he oh, was he trying to scare me? The phone.